Hey, what's up guys? In this video we will see how to buy more storage on your Samsung Galaxy A16. So you cannot buy more internal storage on your smartphone unless you buy and connect an external hard drive or a memory card. So there is no way of increasing the storage hardware wise. But there is a way in which you can buy software storage on your phone so that you can back up your data. Now to do that, just open the settings app. Now from here, scroll down and tap on Accounts and Backup. Now from here, just tap on Backup Data with Google Drive. Now from here, as you can see, I have 15 gigabytes of software storage or cloud storage, and I have used 0.99 gigabytes out of 15, which is 7% of the software storage or the cloud storage. Now to buy more software storage or cloud storage, just tap on Manage Storage. Now from here, just tap on Get More Storage. Now from here, as you can see, you can get more software storage or cloud storage by paying a monthly or an annual fee. Now from here, as you can see, you can get either 100 gigabytes or 2 terabytes of software storage or cloud storage. But you have to pay a monthly or an annual fee to get the software storage, and you can use this software storage to back up your data. And this is how you can buy more storage on your Samsung Galaxy A16. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.